Hello everybody, my name is Sufredu from Small Alexa. So today we are going to start from class 6 math chapter number 8 decimals exercise 8.3 question number 1. Which is greater? Here we have to find, they are comparing one. Now we have to find which one is the greater one. So now here first A1 it is tell 0.3 or 0.4. Here 0.3 and 0.4. First we will 0.3 then 0.4. Now, this first how we will do compare. First we will see the first digit. Which is first digit? 0. So now this 0 and here also 0. And after they both has point, here also point, here also point. After the third number, here it is 3 and here it is 4. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 4. So, our correct answer is 0.3 equals 0.4. So now let's move to B1. 0.07 or 0.02. Here also what it is tell? Here it is tell 0.07 and 0.02. Now first we will compare. So here 0, here also 0 at the first number it is not comparing. Second after point, here also point. Both at the second number it is not comparing. At the third number 0, here also 0. Third number also not. Here 7, here 2. At the fourth number it is comparing. So we can say 0.07 is bigger than 0.02. So now let's move to C1 part. Here it is 3 and 0.8. Here 3, here 0.8. At the first number only we understand that 3 it is bigger because here it is 0. But first here we write like 3.0. Here it is point, here it is not point, and after the point one number it is given. So we have to put that one number also. It's like 3.0. Now here we don't put like that. Here it is 3. We can put 0.3. It will be wrong. So here 0.3 we don't write. We have to write after the number. See, here after the number it is changes, so we'll write the after the number 3.0. So now here 3.0 and 0.8. Which is bigger? 3. First number 3 it is comparing because 3 is bigger than 0. So which is bigger? 3 is bigger. We can write like this also, or we can write like this. We can write like this also. Here or now D1 0.5 or 0.05. Here what it is tell? Here it is tell 0.5 then 0.05. Now here 0.5 and 0.05. First number, see, after the point for 0, here also 0. After the point here also point. Then here 5, here 0. So you are thinking that at this number it is bigger. Yes, we will do like that. But here after that number, here the number finishes. And here one digit is more. So first we will convert it into this number. First here 0.5. After the finishing of that number, we can write zeros. But before the decimal, see, after the number we can write very much decimals. But before the number like that, here we will point, this is wrong. We have to write the after the number. Like this we have to write. So now let's like this compare it. Now compare it 0.5. Here we will put 0 and here 0.05. Now here 0, here both numbers are same. After the point 5, here 0. So this number is taken. We can write like this also, or we can write 0.5 is equals to 0.05. 0.5 is bigger. We can write like this also, and we can write like this also. So now let's move to even part. So now this is the even part. 1.23 or 1.2. Here 1.23 it is tell. First 1.23 and 1.2 is given. Here 1.23 and 1.2. Here 1.2. See here 3 numbers are given and here only 2 numbers are given. So here first we will do. Here first we will do 1.23 and here we will put one more 0. So 1.20. Now we'll compare. First one here also, here point, here 2, here 3 and here 0. So which is bigger? 3, 1. So our correct answer is 1.23 is bigger than 1.2. Or we can write like this also. Or we can write 1.23 is bigger than this 1/2. This also we can write, or this also. So now let's move to F1 part. 0.099. So here 0.099. Here and here it is still 0.19. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers and here only 3 numbers. So here first we will do, here first we will do put 0. So now let's we put 0. So now let's take it, convert it into, which is because 0, then constant, then here 0, here 1, which is bigger this one number. This one number is bigger, or we can write like this, 0.099 is bigger than 0.19. So now let's move to G1. 1.5 or 1.50. Now here 1.5 and 1.50. Now here 1.5. Here you are thinking that here we have to convert. So first we will convert, here 0, here also 0. So now what it is getting? Both numbers are same. 1, then point, 1, then point, then here 50, then here 50. Both numbers are same, so here we'll put equal sign. So now let's move to H1 part. 1.431 or 1.4 or 1.490. So here now here 1.431 or 1.490. So now here 1.431 and 1.490. Here first we will convert, both numbers are same. Here 1, here 1. Here point, here point. Here 4, here 4. Here 3 and here 9. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger or 9 is bigger? 9. So here the correct answer is 1.490 is our correct answer. So now let's move to I1 part. So this is the I1 part 3.3 or 3.300. So now here, first here 3.3, then here 3.00. Here how much there? Here 1, 2 digit. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit here and 2 digit. So first we have to make this both same. Means 4 digit we have to make. So here 3.3, 2 digit, 1 more 0. Now 3 digit, 1 more 0. Now it will be equal. Now here also 3.3003. Now both came equal. So which is bigger? Both are equal. So the equal signs will be the answer. So now let's move to J1 part. 5.64 or 5.603. So here 5.64 and 5.603. Here how much number? 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 number and here 3. First you have to make it to 4 numbers. 5.6410, 5.603. So now here we have to do compare. 5.5 point. Here 6, here also 6. Here 4 and here 0. 4 is bigger, 0 is bigger, 4. So this answers are correct. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.